Imagine driving home after a long day, the sun setting behind you, your favorite song playing softly in the background. Everything feels normal until it doesn't. Out of nowhere, a car behind you fails to brake in time and slams straight into your rear bumper. The impact is loud, sudden, and terrifying. Your heart pounds, your hands shake, but thankfully you're still breathing and able to step out. The police arrive, a report is filed, and everyone agrees it wasn't your fault. You go home that night thinking, well, at least insurance will take care of it. But a week later, you open your email and freeze. The subject line hits you like a second collision. Your claim has been denied, not questioned, not delayed, denied. And the most shocking part, it wasn't because of the accident or the damage or even the other driver. It was because of you. A mistake so small, so innocent, so easy to overlook that most people do not even realize they're remaking it. But it's enough to destroy your entire claim. And it happens to thousands of drivers every single year. This video isn't about rare loopholes or complicated legal tricks. It is about one simple action, or inaction, that can instantly turn a normal insurance claim into a nightmare. And unless you know what it is, you were one tiny mistake away from paying for an accident that wasn't even your fault. Today, we're diving deep into the smallest, most commonly overlooked mistake that can completely kill your car insurance claim, even when you are 100% innocent in the accident. This isn't theory, and it's not something buried in a textbook. It's a real issue that blindsides everyday drivers who think they're doing everything right, until their insurance company uses this tiny detail against them. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you step by step through a real case where a driver followed all the rules, documented everything, and still lost his claim because of a small oversight he never thought mattered. You'll see how quickly a simple accident can turn into a financial disaster, and why this mistake is often the first thing insurance adjusters look for when they re-deciding whether to pay or deny your claim. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to avoid it, what to do immediately after an accident, and how one tiny action can save you thousands of dollars. This is information every driver needs, because one small decision can be the difference between being protected or being left completely on your own. What you should do instead. There's a simple habit that can save your entire insurance claim. Report immediately, even if you don't plan to claim later. One quick phone call or app message is a no. The small mistake almost everyone makes. Most drivers think their insurance claim will be approved as long as the accident wasn't their fault. But reality is different. Companies don't just check who caused the accident. They check how responsibly you handled the situation. A tiny mistake, like forgetting one important step right after the accident, can make your entire claim invalid in seconds. And the scariest part? Most people don't even know they're doing something wrong. This chapter sets the stage. A common real-life scenario. A normal driver doing everything right, except for one small detail that later becomes a disaster for the insurance claim. The critical mistake you must never make. The biggest mistake that kills most car insurance claims is not informing the insurance company on time. Many people focus on fixing the car, arguing with the other driver, or waiting for an estimate. But insurance companies expect immediate or same-day reporting. Even a delay of 24 hours can trigger suspicion. Were you hiding something? Why didn't you report instantly if the accident was genuine? This delay becomes their excuse to reject the claim legally. In this chapter, we explore why timing matters, what insurers check during verification, and how a late call can ruin everything, even if the accident wasn't your fault. Why this mistake destroys your claim. Insurance is a business of evidence. The longer you wait to report the accident, the more the evidence becomes weak or unreliable. Damage changes, witnesses disappear, weather conditions shift, and your car might get moved. When the insurance investigator arrives, even small mismatches raise red flags. Was the damage fresh? Is the story accurate? This gap between the real accident and the delayed reporting gives insurers a legal reason to deny the claim. This chapter explains how investigators analyze damage patterns, timestamps, phone records, and why even honest people look suspicious if they delay reporting. To secure your timeline. Along with that, take photos from multiple angles, note down the location, time, weather, and number plates, and save all details. If another driver is involved, record their statement on video. Always ask for a police report if the damage is big. This chapter teaches step by step what to do in the first 10 minutes after an accident, so your insurance company can never reject your claim. At the end of the day, an insurance claim doesn't get rejected because you were a bad driver. It gets rejected because you weren't informed. A single late phone call, a missing detail, or a small moment of panic can cost you thousands of rupees. But now you know exactly what to do. If an accident ever happens, you'll be the calmest person on the road, reporting on time, collecting proof, and protecting your wallet. So take this knowledge seriously. Don't wait for a bad day to learn a hard lesson. Stay alert, stay responsible, and make sure your insurance works for you, not against you. If this helped you today, make sure to watch the next video, because one smart decision can save you from another big mistake tomorrow.